The first step to any change is knowing yourself deeply. Imagine wanting to build a house without knowing the land, without knowing if it's inclined or flat. Impossible. By knowing yourself, you discover your values, your talents, and your fears, which allows you to chart a more authentic path. I will provide practical exercises that will aid you in your self-discovery. Dedicate just 15 minutes a day to writing about your thoughts and feelings as if you were conversing with a close friend. Note down your successes, challenges, and dreams. You'll be surprised by the insights that will emerge. There are numerous free online personality tests that can help you gain a clearer understanding of yourself. However, remember that these tests are merely a starting point. Self-knowledge is an ongoing journey. Meditation is a powerful tool for calming the mind and connecting with your inner self. Start with just 5 minutes a day, and you'll gradually notice your life transforming. Now that you know yourself better, it's time to define your goals. But not just any goal, SMART goal. The SMART technique is a powerful tool for setting clear, objective, and attainable goals. It helps you transform your goals into concrete actions, increasing your chances of success. What does SMART mean? Each letter of the word SMART represents an essential characteristic of a well-defined goal. Your goal should be clear and precise. Instead of saying, "I want to be happier," say, "I want to smile 3 more times a day." Measurable. You need a way to track your progress. Use numbers to better monitor your progress. For example, "I want to read 12 books this year." Achievable. Be realistic when setting your goals. Challenging goals are important, but they should not be impossible. Relevant. Your goals should make sense to you and align with your values. If this doesn't happen, you'll lose interest in your goals and may end up giving up. Time-bound. Set deadlines for each goal. For example, by saying, "I want to learn to play the guitar in 6 months," you create a sense of urgency to meet your goals daily. Create your vision board and turn your dreams into reality. Visualizing your goals as if they were already a reality is a fundamental step to achieving them. Imagine yourself living the life you've always wanted, the house of your dreams, the career that fulfills you, unforgettable trips. This visualization is powerful, but it needs to be accompanied by action. Beware of the trap of dreaming without doing. If you just dream and don't take action, you may end up frustrated. It's like building a sandcastle, beautiful on the outside but fragile and subject to being washed away by the waves. Investing in your personal development is the best investment you can make. Learning new skills, expanding your knowledge, and stepping out of your comfort zone are the keys to a more fulfilling life. Here are some suggestions to help you with your personal development. Various online platforms offer courses on a wide range of topics, from programming and cryptocurrencies to digital marketing. Reading is an inexhaustible wellspring of knowledge and inspiration. Select books that challenge you and foster your personal growth. Listening to podcasts while exercising or doing chores is an excellent way to learn new things and stay informed. Attending events and workshops related to your interests is an excellent way to meet new people and expand your professional network. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Take care of your physical and mental health to have more energy and motivation to achieve your goals. Here are some tips to maintain your well-being. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, is essential for good health. Find a physical activity that you enjoy and practice it regularly. Whether it's walking, dancing, swimming, or playing a sport, To get a good night's sleep and improve your quality of life, aim for at least 7 hours of sleep per night. A regular sleep schedule with fixed bedtimes and wake-up times helps regulate your biological clock. Avoid screens before bed and create a calm environment to facilitate sleep. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Spend more time outdoors in nature. This will help you reduce stress and increase your sense of well-being. To achieve your goals, you need to be productive and organized. There are several techniques and tools that can help you optimize your time and increase your productivity. Work in 25-minute blocks, followed by 5-minute breaks. This technique increases focus and productivity. The Eisenhower method helps prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. It divides activities into 4 quadrants: urgent and important. Do it immediately. Important but not urgent. Schedule it. Urgent but not important. Delegate it. Neither urgent nor important. Eliminate it. Use apps like Trello, Asana, and Todoist to manage your tasks and projects. 2025 will be the year of your transformation. Start now by putting these tips into practice and creating an action plan to achieve your goals. Remember, success is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and inspiration for a happier and more fulfilling life. Share this video with your friends and family, and together let's build a better future. Click on the screen to watch why motivational videos have declined.